experimenting with transpiration, cohesion, and capillary action using Gerbera daisies. This fun experiment is a way to show your children exactly what plants do with the water we give them. They will be able to see the flowers change colors and become more vibrant the longer they are placed in the water. Let's get started. Here are the material you will need: 3 to 6 white flowers, food coloring, 4 glasses and water. Now, here are the steps to dyeing your flowers. 1. Fill the 4 glasses with water. 2. Squeeze 30 drops of desired food coloring into the 4 glasses and stir. 3. Trim the flowers to fit in the glass. 4. Gently place your flowers in your dye. 5. Watch your flowers change colors. The science behind bicolor flowers. Plants drink their water through their roots. Once inside the stem, xylem serves as a transportation for the water to get to the plant's leaves and flowers. A few of the processes that help the water travel up through the xylem are transpiration, cohesion, and capillary action. There are 2 things that combine to move water through plants: transpiration and cohesion. Transpiration occurs when the water evaporating from the leaves, buds, and petals pulls water up the stem of the plants. Cohesion is when the water that evaporates from the leaves pulls up other water molecules behind it to fill the space it left. This water movement process, where plants are able to defy gravity and pull water up into their leaves and flowers through tiny tubes, is called capillary action.